Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your character AI. First of all, open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer, and in the top section over here, type down character AI login. Enter it after you're done. And over here, we could see the login option. Click on that. What you have to do is simply enter your email ID. Click on the continue after that. And what you have to do is look out for the email because there will be a verification link sent it to you by the character AI. Right over here, we could see the sign into character AI requested. What you have to do is simply click in this option that says sign into character AI. After that, a page will be open. What you have to do is click in this option that says sign in, and then you'll be successfully logged into your character AI account. This is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.